Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1972 Chevrolet Nova set up with a big block aluminum-headed 406 motor. It's got a turbo hydromatic 350, 3-speed automatic trans, mild shift kit, reverse lockout on the car. It's got a 12-bolt rear end, Posi 373 gear ratio, and the chassis, should I say subframe, has been tied in along with traction bars. The car sits on the beautiful American Racing torque thrust wheels, front disc brakes, beautiful look on the car, beautiful stance, nice paint. I'm going to rate this paint an 8 out of 10. It does stand and stand tall. All of the trim around the car looks to be original to the car. It's not perfect, but nice, along with both front and rear chrome bumpers. Rally stripes painted in black. As you can see underneath, electric fuel pump. Brakes, the hoses for the brakes, the fuel lines have been gone through. Emblems on the car look good if you see any. Yep, the guy took them off. 4-inch Cowl induction hood. Nice front chrome bumper, nice grille. Subframe looks good. I did have this car on the lift a little while ago and took photos, so you guys can refer to my pictures as far as for the interior, or should I say underneath, and then the engine compartment. Walking the car, if there's any blemishes, I'm gonna point them out to you guys with my finger as I progress here. Okay, everything looks good. It's just a little wax buildup. Paint, like I said, is very nice on the car. The quarters on the car are both original to the vehicle. This is a Southern car. We just got it in. And yeah, please refer to my photos for underneath. Guys, the paint job is very nice on the car. There are no scratches, dings, or dents that I can see. Okay. Let me look at that finish. Bam. Fuel cell is in the back trunk. I'll show you guys that really quick. Let's see, it's one of these keys. If I can get to it. That's the part of doing the live video with no editing. There we go. There's your fuel cell. Original stampings are right there for this quarter. You will need some weather stripping, in my opinion. You can get that from Jegs for about 50 bucks. Factory stampings here as well for this side. No patches on the quarters as I can see. There's the battery, and your shutoff is right there, and your fuel cell. Okay, now, as far as the interior is concerned, you've got reclining bucket seats. They are aftermarket. Seatbelts intact. Door panels look pretty good. On the car, they're not perfect, but they're nice. No cracks in the dash pad. Decent headliner. You will need a bulb and a cover for the dome light there. 6x9s in the package tray. Back seat with seatbelts. And you got some paperwork sitting right there. Now, to start the car, guys, you're going to need to turn on the fuel pump first, which is right here. Flip this switch, flip this upward, you'll hear it, and turn the key. Okay. Yeah, baby. This ain't no joke, guys. Car's putting out at least 500 horse. If you guys know me, you know that I used to race a pro mod car, blown alcohol, so I know my horsepower. Very clean stance, very nice look to this Nova. Check out my photos for the engine compartment. It is MSD ignition as well. I'm gonna mount this camera. Let's go for a ride. Car shows 86,949 miles, and on the motor is about 1,000 miles. There's your wipers that function. Horn works. RPM works. And yes, the radio works, but it works like crap, but it works. I would change the radio. Aftermarket gauges all function. And again, guys, let me demonstrate something to you guys. So here's your quarter stick, if you're not familiar, all the way down, okay? first gear, boom, second, hit this, that's third. To get this car in reverse, you gotta hit this button and then lift up this lever and put it back in park, okay? Or you can just pop it in third and the car will shift by itself as it should, okay? So we'll demonstrate this both ways. Speedo functions as well. The car's a hot rod, gentlemen. This ain't no joke of a car, so. First I'm just gonna pop the car in third, okay? Which will go through the gears by themselves anyway. You just wanted to drive it normally, you can. Right turn signal functions, and I do hear the left one as well, okay? Brakes feel great on the car. No need to do anything there. Suspension feels nice and tight on the car as well. It shifts like it should. Overheating problems. This thing's a beast, man. Make these two right-hand turns, I'm going to get on it and bang through the gears. Again, if you guys are looking for a fast hot rod, this is it. If you're looking for a quiet street cruiser, you're looking at the wrong car. Down to first gear. I'm gonna wait for this car to pass. I'm gonna have a little fun here, okay? You gotta shift. I would shift at 5,000 just to be safe. Ah! Wow! Baby! Oh, if that doesn't get your heart beating, I don't know what does, people. That's the way to do it. Oh, mama. That is fun. Listen, guys, MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. If you guys wanted to fly into Chicago O'Hare, we're 25 minutes away. You want to fly into Midway Airport, I'm 45 minutes away. Everything you see in my video and in my photos is exactly what you're getting. I'm not going to BS you on anything that I do or show you. It's not how I do business, okay? The car is what it is. It does what it does. You know where I'm at. If you guys want to take advantage of my delivery, it's not a problem. Text me your zip code, I'll get you a quote, okay? I'll leave my phone number at the end of this video as well, okay? If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, click the bottom red hand subscribe button, and if you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. Let's get the muscle car thing out there. It's through social media. Guys, these are tangible assets. Invest your money in something solid, increasing in value every single year, as you can see. get something you're going to have fun with. Life is short, guys. You know that. I don't have to share that with you. Again, my name is Thomas. This is my 1972 Chevrolet Nova. On steroids, man. 406 aluminum headed MSD headers, 4-barrel turbo 350 trans, shift kit, 12-bolt posi, 373 gear ratio, ready to hit the pavement and pound on the grounds. Call me, text me. You're going to get through faster with texting. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Let's talk soon. Talk to you later.